The red car is traveling too fast, and because of this, cannot take the inner radius of the curve, is forced across the line into the path of oncoming traffic, and results in a crash. In a real-life example, we have an oncoming vehicle, once again traveling too fast for the inner lane, is forced across the line, and sideswipes the camera's vehicle. In this clip, we have a vehicle traveling fairly fast, is forced to go way over into the outer lane. And I'm just going to pause the video here for a moment. When you have a look at the vehicle, you will notice that it's leaning far over to the left side. This is due to poor suspension, which negatively affects the handling characteristics of the vehicle. You may have noticed that although the vehicle wasn't traveling that fast, due to the poor suspension, it couldn't handle the curve for the speed that it was traveling, and so it was forced to go over into the outer lane. And this unfortunately also results in a crash. I have a separate page on the website that deals specifically with suspension. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.